Hi lovelies, how you all doing? I guess you all are fine. I am fine too. So this is not a makeup tutorial. I want to address something. There is one lie they have been telling people that want to go into makeup. They will tell you after learning makeup, don't rush to opening a makeup studio. I am here to tell you today that that is a big lie. Yes. If you know any successful makeup artist, ask the person. The real success started after they have opened the studio. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Yes, makeup is one business that the ambience. Makeup is one business that the ambience is more important than the skill. Yes, you might think that I'm speaking of points or I don't know what I'm saying, but I know exactly what I'm saying. Yes, if you want to go into makeup business, first of all, before you learn that skill, have enough money that we use to open a good studio. Yes, some people will book you just because your studio is picture worthy, is video worthy, is content worthy. They can come with their friends, see where I'm doing my makeup, they can take pictures, record videos. Yes, some people will book you because of that only. Even without your brows that is bent, they prefer to teach you how to do your brows, as in how to do the brows for them, than going to someone who is a professional, who knows exactly what she is doing, but have a very bad environment. That when they take pictures, when they take videos, they won't be proud to post it. It's just like telling a hairdresser after learning hairstyling, stuff like that, do not open a salon, stay in your house. Yes, makeup is not like sewing. It's not like fashion design that you can do from your house. Except a house you have, like you have a place that is spacious. You can use your sitting room as your studio. But you must have somewhere that people will walk in and get their makeup done. You need a place where people can come and book and get their makeup done. Yes, it's not everybody that can afford home service. Yes, even you as a makeup artist, if you're based on doing home service, you won't make any gain. If you don't have a space where people are coming, they will always be like, oh, I would have come to where you're saying, but you don't have a space. Then you will end up doing the home service with little money, that after adding the transportation and the cost of product, you will notice that you're going home with nothing. So anybody telling you that as a makeup artist, once you finish learning, don't rush to open it, is lying to you. In fact, get the money. It's even better that you open a makeup studio, come to YouTube and learn it. You will make it more than somebody that learned it but doesn't have money to open a studio yet. I said what I said. Yeah. For my girlies, my people, my lovers that want to go into makeup business, there is money in it too. There is money in it, but you need to spend that money first by getting a good place so that people that can pay you the money can step in. Okay, see ya.